Alright, so we have, for the first two events, A and B, it is known that the union of A and B is equal to 0.75. We also know that the probability of A dash is equal to 0.42, and the probability of B is equal to 0.55. Now, the first thing you're going to need to work out is if we have the probability of A, we need to also know the probability, not A, we also need to know the probability of A. And we can do that by using the complementary formula, complementary events formula. So we have PR of A is equal to 1 minus the PR of A dash, which is equal to 1 minus 0.42 is equal to 0.58. And we can also do that for the probability of B dash, is equal to 1 minus the probability of B, is equal to 1 minus 0.55, which is equal to 0.45. So we now know that the probability of B dash is equal to 0.45, and the probability of A is equal to 0.58. So now we have enough information to fill in a two-way table because we have some totals. So let's draw a two-way table. So we'd write B, B dash, A, and A dash. Doesn't matter which side you put it on, as long as it makes sense to you. So we then also have our total columns. So we know that the total probability of B is 0.55, and the total probability of B dash is 0.45. We know the total probability of A, 0.58, and we know that the total probability of A dash is 0.42. Both these add up to 1. We know we're correct. Now, we are given the union probability. So we need to check that the union probability is or isn't mutually exclusive. Because that's going to mean, if it is mutually exclusive, that means that this here is going to be 0. But if it's not mutually exclusive, it's going to have a number. So we're going to have to use the mutually exclusive formula to find out if there's a number here or not. We just grab an eraser to make some space. We have all this already written down. Alright, so the formula, the probability formula for the union is PR A union B equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus PR of A intersect, need a bit more space, B. Right, so that's the formula. So we now know that this here is 0.75. This is equal to probability of A is 0.58 plus 0.55 minus the PR of A intersection B. So now we can add these two up. So we end up with 0.75 is equal to 1.13 minus PR A intersection B. Now these two do not equal each other. So that means that it is not mutually exclusive. So we need to quickly just find out what our intersection probability is, because we've counted it twice. So let's just rearrange. So we end up with the probability of A and B. Got a minus, so the minus stays there, is equal to 0.75. Now all I'm doing is I've just swapped my sides, so we're doing this minus this, which is equal to 0.38, negative 0.38. But because this is negative and this is negative, they go away. So we know that the probability A intersection B is just equal to 0.38. So now we can just quickly fill in the rest of the table. 0.38 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.58. 0.38 plus 0.27 is equal to 0.55. 0.2 plus 0.25 is equal to 0.45. Now, some of you are probably saying, but sir, you did that wrong. Yes, I did. So one thing you can do, if you ever make some mistakes, is check if the rows match the columns. So I said 0.38 plus 0.27 is 0.55. And then I did 0.2 plus 0.25 is equal to 0.45. We can do a quick check of going horizontally now to make sure that we got all our numbers correct. 0.838 plus 0.2 is 0.58. 0.27 plus 0.25 is equal to 0.52. Okay, so we've made a mistake. So let's quickly check. This number is wrong. This number is correct. So this should have been a 1.7. Now this works. Now this works. So always check your rows and your columns to make sure you've done the right thing. Now, we'll do one more question in this video. And this was a question I was given recently. PR of A union B equal to 0.75, and the probability A is equal to 0.5, probability of B is equal to 0.3. The question asks, are they mutually exclusive? So, whenever you see this word mutually exclusive, you just need to quickly check these numbers up here by using the formula. So, PR of A union B is equal to PR of A plus the PR B. Now we can quickly plug this in. So 0.75 is equal to 0.5 plus 0.3. 0.75 is equal to 0.8. This does not work. Because these two are not equal, we know that the answer is no. If they did equal the same thing, then they would be mutually exclusive. I'll leave this video there. Good luck with the questions. I will do some more questions like these in the next video.